भाजपा में महिलाओं को पार्टी से जोड़ने के लिए कमल शक्ति का कार्यक्रम शुरू किया गया है, जिसका शुभारंभ झांसी दीनदयाल सभागार में भाजपा महिला मोर्चा की राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बनाथी श्रीनिवासन ने किया है। झांसी में रविवार को कमल शक्ति संवाद का कार्यक्रम दीनदयाल सभागार में राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बनाथी श्रीनिवासन द्वारा किया गया है। आपको बता दें कि 9 दिन तक चलने वाला यह कार्यक्रम 9 अलग अलग विषयों पर आधारित होगा। यह कार्यक्रम लखनऊ, आगरा, गोरखपुर, मेरठ, प्रयागराज, मुरादाबाद, शाहजहांपुर और कानपुर में भी होंगे। इस दौरान अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में उल्लेखनीय कार्य करने वाली महिलाओं को भी सम्मानित किया गया। मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में मौजूद बनाथी श्रीनिवासन ने मंच से यह भी संदेश देने का प्रयास किया कि केंद्र व प्रदेश सरकार ने आधी आबादी के जीवन स्तर को बेहतर और स्वावलंबी बनाने के लिए बहुत से काम किए हैं। साथ ही पहले की सरकारों व भाजपा शासन में महिला की स्थिति का अंतर बताते हुए सपा, बसपा और कांग्रेस की सरकार पर निशाना साधा है।
महिला आयोग ऑनरेबल मेंबर कंचन जयश्वर जी, कीर्तिका अग्रवाल जी, मुकेश मिश्रा जी, प्रमोद जी, जिला अध्यक्ष सुमन प्रोपी जी, प्रीति शर्मा जी, and my dear sisters, officers of Mahila Morcha and media press, सबको सादर प्रणाम। First of all, please excuse me for not addressing you in Hindi.
Dear friends, I am here to attend the 2 programs, Azadi Ka Amrita Mahotsav. On behalf of National Mahila Morcha, we are organizing 75 programs in the places of birth or the memorial places of women freedom fighters. Today we are starting by garlanding the statue of Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, and apart from that, on behalf of Uttar Pradesh Mahila Morcha, they are organizing the events in 9 places in the name of Nav Shakti Nav Devi program. Today we are inaugurating that. In coming days, before the end of this November, Mahila Morcha is taking up this Mahila Sammelan to spread the awareness about the Modi ji, Yogi ji's government achievements to women, and also they would see that women participation in politics has to be increased. For that, an ecosystem has to be created. The encouragement has to be given to women to engage them in the political party work. So booth work is very important in electoral politics. Through this Mahila Sammelan, we would like to enroll more number of women in electoral politics. And apart from that, in Uttar Pradesh, we would emphasize to the women that the self-respect, women empowerment and their safety is being respected and being followed by BJP government here. This has to be continued. So through our reach out program, we would like to connect with rural, urban, educated, uneducated, all sectors of women into the BJP work.
मैम, प्रियंका गांधी का जो 40% महिलाओं को आरक्षण देने का जो पूरा बयान है, उस मामले में आपका क्या कहना है?
See, Congress leader Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi has said about 40% reservation, 40% tickets to be given to women. First of all, we would like to ask her, how many women have been given tickets in the parliament election, in the last assembly election, even in other states? Why Priyanka Gandhi's women empowerment is being only restricted in Uttar Pradesh? Is being the national party leader, why she cannot think about the women of the entire country? Why she is restricting herself to only UP? And she is not an ordinary state president or a Mahila Morcha leader. It is not like that. She is from a very powerful family and first family of Congress. Why Priyanka Gandhi is saying only in Uttar Pradesh the 40% tickets to be given women? It is only for a political purpose. So that's why BJP is telling, we are the only party in India. We are giving 33% reservation in a party position. Either Priyanka Gandhi will give that assurance, whether in their party, whether they are ready to give 33%. We are not asking 40. But she cannot answer that because it is not in the real spirit for women empowerment. On the other hand, BJP in the political party, even an ordinary worker can become a leader of this country, a leader of a political party, and they can become a cabinet minister, then become governors. Ordinary women are getting their political opportunities only in BJP.
सभी समाजों से लेकर है कृपया आप
मैम
Yes, sir.
कार्यक्रम के माध्यम
झांसी से हर्षदीप अरोड़ा के साथ आरएन शर्मा की रिपोर्ट।
PK University. Build a great career at PK University. Admission open for medical science, B Pharma, M Pharma, BSc, BTech, MTech and Polytechnic Diploma. Contact now www.pkuniversity.edu.in. Address Thandra Village, Jhansi Road, Shivpuri.